Today's tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to use a multimeter to test or check spark plug when there is a resistance, because we all know spark plugs ignite the airframe mixture in the internal combustion chamber. That helps the engine to run and perform better. So how would you know if your spark plugs are defective or effective? There are so many ways to check or test a spark plug. We can use multimeter to check spark plug. You can use ordinary wire resistant to check spark plug. Okay. So my multimeter is reading yes, and this is where you're supposed to turn on your multimeter to 2k ohms. So the first thing you need to do is to use the terminals, the two terminals, to identify your plugs. So this is a negative terminal and this is a massive supply wire. Yes, so you have to get note of this. So to check it, there is a resistor here that supply the power to ignite the airframe, and inside here is a electrode. We have electrode, we have resistant, and this is the body. So I'm going to show you how to check the voltage. The voltage itself. So I have to check the voltage, which I have tuned to 20. So let's check the voltage, how it also performs. Okay, 0.1, 0.01, this is it. And check it again to 2 ohms. It will give you, we see 0.1314. Once it started 0.13, that means there is a resistance in the spark plug, and which means it's effective to operate, to work. But if there is no resistance, it will start from different numbers, which means the spark plug is defective. This is how we check spark plug on multimeter. Make sure you like this video and share to many people. If you haven't yet subscribed to Eric Auto Center, I don't know what you are waiting for, but please consider subscribe to this channel and make sure you put your comment in the comment section, because we take our audience feedback seriously. This is how we check spark plug with a multimeter. See, if you don't know how to do this, this is the right time for you to learn on this channel. We have done so many videos and we are encouraging you to watch our videos and subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated, so that you won't miss every video we upload on this platform. Thanks you. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Stay blessed.